Volume by Olivia. Step 1. Goal. How much will it take to fill all 3 cups? 2. Hypothesis. I think D will have more than 50 milliliters. Step 4. Materials. Number 1. 1 cup marked A, B, C, and D. 2. Lots of water, maybe a quarter gallon. 3. 1 syringe. 4. 1 graduate. And 5. 1 beaker. Step 5. Procedure. Get all the supplies. Measure water in the cup. Write down data. These are my findings and data. 8. Conclusion. In this lab, I discovered that all my letters were different measurements. My hypothesis was correct. I also discovered that water is very tricky to measure, but fun at the same time. You should try this experiment too. 9. My opinion. My opinion is that I think this is fun, and I would do this more often. I would also recommend this experiment for you.